Di ba balak niya?
Hi, Ate Mian. I-raid ko bag mo. We're making a video of what's in my bag. This is Ate Mian Mendoza. Hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi, YouTube.
Hola.
Hola. Oh, yeah. We're in Cebu and it's like 2 in the morning. Okay, so... Okay, Ate Mian, what's in your bag? Let's see. What's your bag? It's what? It's DNG. Bought it in X amount.
X amount.
Yeah, color red. I love red.
Yeah, but
Okay.
no choice, red na lang.
Okay,
Kailangan
game.
ko mag-English.
Yeah, you should speak in English.
I don't like.
No, don't speak Bisaya, oy. The game.
Wala nga masyado.
First game na.
Cellphone.
Okay, cell phone, of course.
Tissue.
Tissue. Okay, tissue.
Pumaypay. Dahil mainit.
Yes.
It's hot.
Yeah.
Hot like nature.
Okay, hot like you, whatever. Tapos,
Sleepy. I have my eyeglass. My nerd eyeglass.
nerd eyeglasses, okay.
Huwag mo ito i-upload. Ballpen.
Ball pen, of course. And, what's that?
Exam ako.
Okay, both ball pens. Ano yan?
Wala mo. Ba't nandito? Dito.
Ah, bracelet.
Wala lang. Tapos ito wallet.
Wallet.
Tuhod ko.
Pouch.
Pouch.
Okay.
Ala, mirror. Ala. Mirror. Buti di ko nilala yung ano ko. Beauty kit.
Di mo dinala yung beauty
Kasi
kit mo.
mabigat.
Ay.
Ayun, panyo.
Mm.
Line. Yun lang.
Yan lang laman?
Wow.
Okay. Sige, bye-bye. Say bye. Bye.
Tulog na.
Tulog na.